Thank you. Thank you, Ninang. Okay. Ito naman, meron kasing tinatweet sa akin kanina pa na kung pwede ko raw tanungin. Oo, this is from Karen at Ain't Belinda. You both recently won an award. Belle as the most outstanding Asian star and Donnie naman as one of People Asia's Men Who Matter. Congratulations! So ang tanong niya, if you were to give each other an award based on your personal relationship with each other, what title would it be and why? Ganda, ang ganda nung tanong. Best ano ba? Ganun.
Most generous. I mean, not just to me, but to everyone you care about. You're really generous.
Most Generous Award for Donnie Pangilinan. Ikaw, Donnie.
Ang dami kasi pwedeng sabihin. Ano ba yun?
Actually, mahirap nga siyang sagutin kasi ang daming pwedeng maging award ni Belle. Wow! Sa buhay ni Donnie. So, di, yun yung tanong eh, di ba? Sa personal relationship daw nila.
Best in shocking the world. Because I believe she's gonna shock more and more people with what she does.
Ganda. Best in shocking the world. Tsaka most generous.
Gusto ko palitan yung...
Okay lang naman. Okay, sige. So, maraming salamat sa mga questions na yan. And now, we'd like